So today I'll be doing and demonstrating how to do a very simple Swarovski crystal with pearls dangling earring. Okay, so this is how the final product will look like. Let me do a very quick introduction of the tools that you will need to make a simple pair of earring. So first you have a plier like this. As you can see, it's round, so this is called a round nose plier. The second tool you will need is actually a flat nose plier. As you can see that it is flat at the top. And finally a wire cutter to cut all the wires and knits and nets that you will have. Okay. Now let's start off with the materials required to make the Swarovski pearl dangling earring. So what I used is two of this hook for the earring portion, okay, two pieces of the eye pin. The eye pin, as you can see, why is it called an eye? Because right at the top there is the round loop there, so this is called the eye pin, okay. And then what I will also use is actually two pieces of a head pin. So the head pin, as you can see, there's a stopper at the top, it's a flat end at the top. Okay. Then I'll use two pieces of 4mm size pearl, okay, two pieces of 5mm Swarovski crystal combined with a 4mm Swarovski crystal and the 3mm Swarovski crystal, that's a small one here. So let's start. So first, what I'll do is that I'll take the tiniest crystal that I have, string it right in, okay, stringing it into the head pin, okay, to make sure that you must make sure that it's right to the end. Okay, once I've stringed it in, okay, as you can see, this is how you look like once you string it in. Okay, I'll take the wire cutter, okay, cut about, leaving about a 1 cm space that you see here, okay. Then I'll take the round nose plier, okay, bend it slightly, and then using the loop of the round nose plier to make a curve, okay, to make a loop. You're supposed to loop it up, okay. Loop it up, and you can take the flat nose plier to flatten up the bottom. Make sure that it's rounded and flatten it. So now you have done one. Okay, so I'll continue with the other one, whereby you string the bottom, because this will act as the base of the dangling earring. Okay, see this? Push it right to the end. Make sure that it goes all the way to the end. Okay, and then what you do again, take the wire cutter, leave it about 1 cm at the bottom, okay. Take the round nose plier, okay, to bend the wire in a loop so that it becomes like a hook, okay, and then use the flat nose plier to close off the gap at the bottom. Okay, so now what you have is two completed set of the earring at the bottom. Now then we need to do the middle portion. What I will normally do is that I will make use of the ends that I've cut off, okay, the ends I've cut off, to create a eye pin. So what do? You curl it up, okay, turn it up. See, once you're turning up, bend it slightly with the head pin. See, you have an eye pin that you made yourself. Once it's done, string in the 5mm crystal, okay, like this. Okay, trim off the end, same thing, leaving about 1 cm left. Trim it off, okay, using the round nose plier. Create another loop right at the top, okay. Okay, so that you have another loop at the top. Okay, so this is the middle section. So what do you do? What I'll do again, I'll demonstrate one more time. Okay, creating another eye pin, okay, using the leftover from previous ends of the head pin, okay. Okay, stringing in the middle 5mm crystal, cut off, leaving about 1 cm left, okay. Then turn the loop to create the hook, okay, so that now you have the middle portion done. Okay, finally what you do is I'll take the eye pin that I have, okay, loop in the pole, okay, loop in the pole, okay, cut off, leaving 1 cm left behind, okay, leaving about 1 cm left behind, so not too much, okay, and you will curl in using the round nose plier, okay, so that you again have the top portion of the pole done. Okay, so same thing one more time using the eye pin, stringing the pole, okay, leaving about 1 cm left, okay, not too much, okay, curling the wire, okay, straighten it. Now make sure that this doesn't happen, that when you curl in, right, there is a straight line here. So what you must do is you need to tilt back the hook so that your wire, your entire portion is balanced like a straight line. Okay. Now finally what we need to do is now to simply assemble the earring. So how do I assemble the earring? I'll take the loop, which is the ear hole loop, okay, taking the first top bit, okay. You can do it both ways. You can either piece it up from the top to the bottom, okay, starting with the pole, the crystal, and then the final dangling portion. Okay, so I'll do both methods. The other method is to start from the bottom up. So first I'll starting off with the pole. Okay, what you need to do is look at this. You will need to twist out the eye pin that you have just done. Okay, pick up the hoop earring, loop it in, okay, then you twist back the loop, okay. Then once you have done that, you realize that at the bottom, okay, you can again twist, again one more time, twist, open the loop, put in the middle portion, okay, close it back, okay. Finally, you do the last bit, twist the bottom, okay, pick up the last bit of the earring, put it back in, and here you have a completed earring. Okay, So now I'll start off with the other method whereby I'll start from the bottom. I'll take the bottom piece, same thing, twist it open, loop in the middle portion. Okay. Once it's done, go on to the next portion whereby you will again twist up the middle portion, fix in the pole, which is the top bit. Okay. Once it's done, okay, go to the pole portion, okay, twist again, okay, put in the earring loop, okay, and twist it back. So what we have after this, we have the completed earring, as you can see, and this is a very simple Swarovski pole earring that everybody can try and do.